Hey, folks, you got your girl, Rich Chick Sabrina here. And I just want to share with you, how to build and identify your team when you are flipping houses in real estate, okay? And so you want to make sure that you have a great real estate agent who knows the insides, who knows the banks, who knows, really pretty much know how to, flip a property so that you can be accurate with your numbers. And then you need a good appraiser, okay? Appraiser is someone that comes out to the home, inspects the home, and makes sure that it's up to par and gives you the value of the home, okay? Then you want to get a home inspector. A home inspector comes out and inspects whether it's mold, whether it's cracks, helps you figure out, is the HVAC system working? Is the roof got problems? And so you want to make sure you get a home inspector, because sometimes your real estate agent cannot see, what's going on in the home. So the only person that can do that is a home inspector. They are, specializes in knowing, the value of home, the cracks on the porch, in the roof, like all those things. So you want to make sure that you got a good home inspector, because once you start flipping your property and it finishes and you got to go back and fix something, oh my God, it can be a catastrophe, okay? So you want to make sure you get a good home inspector so that when you start building out, you don't run into problems, okay? Then you want to have a good lender, all right? I like to build relationships with my lender. I've been using the same one for over the last 4 years. And so the lender, they just know all the laws. They know, the ways to get funded. They know the best way to fund your deal based on your goals. And so you want to make sure you have a good relationship with a lender. And then you will need a closing attorney, okay? This here is very special because you want to get a closing attorney that know what they're doing, okay? That works on your favor, because you want to make sure that when you close on this property that the paperwork is correct. Okay, then you want to make sure you got contractors. I have a general contractor on my team, and so I just use a GC, which is a general contractor, because most general contractors, once you hire a general contractor, then they have access to the electrician, to the plumbers, the people that do the floors, the painting. The HVAC system, they have access to those people, and more than likely they will use their own people. And so these are just a few things that you need to know when flipping a property, okay? It's best to know, how to build and identify your team and make sure that you are building relationships with these people, because I can promise you, I did a lot of deals and my agent was whack, my contractor was whack, and so it took a few times for me to actually find the right people, okay? It took trial and error to find the right people. And so because you're a part of Rich Chick Society, you get access to my agent, to my appraiser, to my home inspector, to my lender, to my closing attorney, to my contractors. So you don't have to do this by yourself. You will have, a group of people that be doing this with you, and you will have people on your team that's proven themselves. Okay, I've done a lot of deals with these people, so I know they know what they're doing, and you won't have to go through the trial and error that I went through. Okay, so to find out more on how to flip your first house, go ahead and click that link in the bio at richchicksociety.com. Become a part of the Rich Chick Society. If you just want to learn how to flip, you can go ahead and, go to richchicksociety.info and just grab the real estate flip course, okay? And on Monday, I'm going to actually do a live webinar, okay, on how to flip your first property. So make sure you are on that list by clicking the link in my bio, okay? And so I'll see you guys on the inside of Rich Chick Society. Bye-bye for now.